Today I'm going to show you how to change the process and react filter on a compact unit. Tools needed will be a drill, number 3 Phillips head bit. On the process side, there are only 2 screws for the filter access. Remove each screw. Pull off the filter cover. Remove the filter. Take note of the airflow direction for the filter itself. Airflow will be flowing in this direction. Airflow going this direction. This should be changed every 3 months. Reinstall the filter. And reinstall the filter cover with the same 2 screws that we removed earlier. Don't over tighten the screws. Now we're on to the react filter. Same deal. You have 4 screws to remove on the filter cover. Remove like so. This is the react filter. Again, take note of airflow directions, take note of the size. This also is replaced every 3 months. Reinstall the filter, reinstall the filter cover with the 4 screws previously removed. And that completes the filter maintenance on a compact unit. For more information, visit dehumidifiers.com.